stuck and counting the days, but it's been 25. You're up there killing the game, but I will miss you tonight.